Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Cuticle, Pandemonium, and Born Pretty 14. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2, and here is Pandemonium by Cuticle. It's such a pretty purple. All my purple friends are going to love this. It's got an excellent formula. All of these polishes so far have been just a dream to work with. I am so happy with my purchase. So here we go with my first coat. Purple. I mean. Hi, Woody. How you doing? He looks like he's doing pretty good, y'all. There we go. Got that one little bitty spot up there. Get it, girl. So here we go with our second coat. We're gonna go in and this coat's going to make it completely opaque and perfect. I could have gotten away with one coat, but y'all know I don't do that. Here we go with some Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I always use this. It's a thin top coat that'll help dry things down so I can do my stamping. There we go, capping that free edge. Here's a swatch photo of it on its own. And here we go with that Born Pretty plate, number 14. I'm going to clean it with some acetone and a paper towel real quick. And then we're going to hop right on in. So it's BP-14. I've got my Beauty Big Bang scraper and my Conad stamper. And today I'm going to be using Nailtiques It's Lit. It's like a silver and a gold mixed together. I really like it. I really do. It's, I don't know. You'll see on the nails. It's so pretty on the nails. Especially with this purple. It just, to me, it was just like a match made in heaven. I mean, it looks gold, but it kind of looks silver. Love it. I do clean that plate off on my, with my pure acetone. And the stamper always gets cleaned off on a lint roller. So I'm going to put this image on my thumbnail and my ring fingernail. And I'm going to use some different images for the other nails. Getting off that excess with the piece of tape. Anything I don't want to transfer. Now I left this in because I wanted to show you. It didn't all take. I was going to try to make it work, but I could tell it wasn't going to. So I'm going to take a piece of tape and pull up that stamped image with the piece of tape. Sometimes you can get away with that. Now I'm going to go in with the Get a Grip from Vibrant Vinyls and just add a streaky, tacky layer, sticky layer, so that my image will stick properly. Now that tape trick doesn't always work, but my nails were dry enough. They were really dry, so I didn't have any problems getting it to pull that image up since I had on that thick top coat, or that, well, not thick top, but since I had on a top coat, I was able to do that. And the fact that they were really dry. So I'm just pulling different images off this plate. I really like this one, and I really like this one too. Junkie. I just like them. I was like, I could see a whole manicure with that or that. And then I decided to do these little triangles on my pinky nail. Just kind of willy-nilly getting some different images. So I'm going to clean this whole plate off with pure acetone and wipe it with a paper towel. And then I'm going to go in and use a piece of tape for removing the excess from around my fingernail. I don't want that stuff on my skin. Gotta get it off there. There we go. I'll be using the smudge-free top coat from Nailtiques. Look how pretty that is. Love that image. Ugh. Love all of them. And then once that's dry, I'm going to top it with some Seche Vite. And then we're going to call it finished. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful and glossy. So there we go. I'm going to cap that free edge again. And we're going to get Woody back out here. Hi, Woody. A little bit of cleaning up. And here is my manicure in motion. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about it. I always love hearing from you. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.